Dear students, we are going to continue the exercise 1.3 from our set topic. Now, question number 3 is like this. They have given universal set 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and among the next set they are given set P is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 3, 7, 10. Now they have given question, show the set universal set, P set, and this is the complement set, that is called as a P dash by Venn diagram. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram such like this. Just we have to first of all understand what is the meaning of this complement set. Now complement means what? The elements which are remaining from the universal set. Now first of all we have to write like this: universal set, first universal set curly bracket 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is the universal set. All these numbers are called as the elements of the universal set. Now among this, P set is given, and P set contains only 3, 1, 1 3, 7 and 10. Other than these elements which are remain, they can be shown like this: P dash. P dash means complement of the P set, that is another remaining elements, that is 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. These elements are remaining from the universal set. So P set represent only 1, 3, 7, 10, and P dash represent only remaining all elements. That means this is called as a complement set of set P. So we can show this Venn diagram like this. We can show this rectangle which represents universal set, or universal set which is given in the question. So we can write like this: universal set, and all these elements which are present in universal set we can show in different manner. First of all we will draw one circle, and that circle inside we can write P, and P sets elements we can write inside the circle: 1, 3, 7 and 10, and remaining are called as P dash. P dash means what? Remaining elements from the universal set rather than P. So we can write 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. So this type of example we have to write, we have to show by Venn diagrams. Now next questions is like this. We have taken the fifth question from the exercise. That question is like this: which set of the subset relation between the following sets? So we have given the 1 2 3 4 and 5 sets, 5 different sets we have given, and these statements we have to write in symbolical form of subset. So we all know that the sign of subset is like this: horizontal U and one line below the horizontal U shape symbol. That is the symbol of subset. So we have to read first of all which things are given. Now first set is given: P is the set of resident of Pune. Now we have to represent this given statement in symbolical form. So we can see that Pune is inside the Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the state, and the Pune is one of the city inside Maharashtra state. So we can write first answer in symbolical form that P, set P is subset of set H. H is the set of resident of Maharashtra. So whichever peoples are residing or staying in Pune, they can say that we are staying in Maharashtra also. So all elements which are under the Pune P set which come in under the H set, and they are called as a subset of each other. Now second statement, M. M is the set of resident of Madhya Pradesh. Now all of us should know that Madhya Pradesh and Indore and Madhya Pradesh are the two names are related with each other. Indore city is present inside the Madhya Pradesh. So we can write like this. Also first set P, which is resident of Pune, it also comes under the set B. So we can write like this also. Set P is subset of set B also. Set B is the set of resident of India. That means all the residential peoples are inside the set B, means India, inside the India. Now second is what? M is the set of resident of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh and Indore, these two are related terms. Indore city is present in the Madhya Pradesh. That's why we can say that set I is subset of set M, and set I is subset of B also. That means Indore is coming under the set B, that is set of resident of India. So people which are residing in the Indore, they can say that we are residing inside the Indian country. So another thing we have to consider that I is the set of resident of Indore, B is the set of resident of India, and H is the set of resident of Maharashtra. So all these set has to be come under the set B. So we can write like this. H, set H is subset of set B also. Okay. Now all these sets are subset of set B. So we have to understand what is the fact. We have to understand in the writing of subsets. Subset means what? The set which is written first is a smaller set, and set which is written after the symbol of subset is a greater set. That means this greater set contains all elements which are present in the smaller set which is written before. So hope so you have understand this 1.3 exercise, and in next video we will continue with our next exercise, that is our last exercise of the topic. So inside that exercise or video we can see, we will see union of the two sets and how to solve the theorems also.